Okay, so what I'm going to be recording is how to identify the 10 counties with the highest rate of asthma, and then how to use hotlinking to show where those counties are on the map. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to tell CodeApp to generate a graph showing the asthma rates in different zip codes. So I'm going to click on graph. And then I'm going to drag mean asthma into the x-axis of the graph. So I'm going to drag it right there. And then you get this distribution where you see where each of these dots represents a different tract, a different region of the East Bay. And then actually if you hover over any of those points, it'll tell you where you are, so what the nearest big city is. So now I'm going to have CodeApp generate a map showing the same thing. So I'm going to click on map. And now I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab mean asthma, drag it into the map. And then you get this nice map. I'm going to put it right here below the graph. And you can see that it gives you these 5 different gradients of color. And these represent percentiles. So each represent 20% of the zip codes in the area. These are the 20% with the lowest mean asthma rate. These are the 20% with the highest. Now what I want to do is I want to see which are the 10 counties, or let's just say which are the 5 counties that have the highest rates of asthma. So hotlinking is basically when I click on one of these points, and then that same the actual region of the map that corresponds to that point will be highlighted. So here I can see that the area with the highest asthma rate is near Richmond. It has a mean asthma rate of 188. That's 188 hospital visits per 10,000 people. So now to hotlink, I'm going to hold down the shift key. And then I'm going to click the next dot. And just out of curiosity, I want to see where that is. And that's also, it looks like that second point is actually in Vallejo. So now I'm just going to keep going. And I'm going to select the 5 counties with the highest asthma rate. It's a little hard when the points are super close together. It's a little hard to select them. But there we go. So now I've selected the 5 counties with the highest asthma rate. And as you can see, they're shown on both the graph and also on the map.